adulting, and then they say, do you want children? And then they keep on saying,
Did you want children? Did you want happy? Did you want a boost? Did you want a children?
All right, guys. Hello there, and welcome to Adulting. So what we are doing today, guys, is we are making stress balls. The world's easiest stress ball. So here's all that you need, guys.
You just need
a couple of 2 liters. We already put them in there. So you can either buy the Orbeez like this, you guys, or you can have an empty thing of like whatever, 2 liter, and then get those Orbeez that grow and grow them in here. So it's really up to you. So what we have is we have some clear Orbeez that we bought already grown. Some blue Orbeez that we bought already grown.
And the rainbow one.
And then we made these rainbow ones.
Yeah, and they did turn out very good.
These water beads. So, super easy. That's all you need. And then you need some clear balloons. So, the kids are going to show you how to do it.
I want to make it. So.
Go ahead.
Okay, I need somebody to blow up my balloon.
All right, so first step is blow up the balloon, right?
Yep. I need somebody to help me. I can't do it.
it looks like it takes you 1 minute.
It's hard. All right.
Okay, I blew up mine, and then you're gonna put it.
Hold on. Just wait, hold it then. Just hold it for a second.
I start.
Yep, go ahead.
It's air. Hey, I want air.
What you're gonna do?
Oh, I'm using that one.
Is try not,
Let her use it for a
try
second.
not to put air in out through it.
Okay.
All right, so then once you get the balloon blown up a little bit, you're gonna wrap it up.
I don't have to hold
Over
the
the
balloon
top,
anymore,
yep.
right?
No, you're fine. Yep.
Oh, Mama.
Hold on.
See?
Hey, go crazy. Slap.
Hold this, Steve. Just hold it. Don't try to do anything. Just keep there. All right. So Akina is dropping some in there. That is probably enough, Akina, I'm thinking.
I don't know how to do it. What's
right.
your choice? This kind of looks like a strawberry.
It does. Okay, you want to get that? All right.
And then let go. This is my favorite part when you're letting air go. And tie it up.
All right, Nate.
Mama.
So you can mix different ones. You can mix different colors.
Mama, I can't
Oh
do
my
it.
gosh! Look at
Mama,
that.
I can't do it.
Which ones do you want in yours, Ollie?
Mama,
That's enough, Nate. That's more than enough. It's gonna be too big.
Mama, I'm using it. I need it.
Okay, hold this for a second.
Okay, first second, I got Orbeez, but all I
I
know
think I need to blow it up.
she only got water.
I only got water.
Oh no! Okay, hold on.
Hey, okay, I'm done with this one.
Give me this.
Nate, yours is gonna be far too big, but go for it.
Okay.
Let air go.
How can you do this?
Let air go.
Okay.
There you go.
Now I get to pour it.
I
No.
need
He wants to add a couple of these. So Nate already got a bunch of the blue Orbeez. Tia's
I make the
wiggling
next
hers.
one?
Yep, go ahead. Yep, you're next up. Alright, so the hardest part, you guys, is getting the balloon on top of the 2 liter without losing air.
Another
Okay.
one. Put this.
Okay, can I lose my air? I took it off. I
right.
have more than enough.
Yep, now lose all your air.
Just hit it at the top. Ah! Why? It's bubbling!
You gotta close it, honey. You can't open your arm. Alright, so there was a lesson learned. I hope you guys saw that. Once you take it off of the 2 liter,
You must hold it.
you have to squeeze it. Oops. Okay, there's gonna be Orbeez everywhere. Okay, so you let it out. And then you just gotta squeeze it. Squeeze it until
I need your help!
you broke your balloon, kiddo.
I did? Help me.
Yes. I gotta help Ollie. Get
Wait, where
a
did
little
I
bit
break
in
my
hers.
balloon? I want white.
You want white? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so here's Nate's. Oh my gosh, this feels so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make another
Show
one.
everybody how it looks. Okay.
Mama,
It's mostly
can I make like a
rainbow,
really small one?
guys. But it feels really weird and cool too.
Which one do you want, Al?
I want the white one.
You want the white one? Okay.
And you can see there's a lot of bubble and water inside, but then on the top here is just Orbeez.
Mama, can you give this to me?
Oh, that is super cool, you guys. Wow.
I can't.
Alright.
It's too slippery.
Alright, hold on.
It's too
Is
slippery.
that Tia's?
Yeah.
Here, let me.
Kikyo, say something for me. Good. Did you want to? Did you want to? Last night, jump. Hit the phone stop.
I feel like the blue ones are the most easiest to like break.
Hey, go crazy.
There's yours, Tia.
Hey, I feel fine. Can I make another one?
Yep.
Can somebody blow this up for me?
Hold on.
These two are mine.
Oh, Nate's got it. We got 2, Tina.
All right.
Yeah.
This is so cool, you guys, and they actually do feel like the stress balls that are at the store. All right.
Is there any more white? Oh.
I'm using the last bit of this.
I think I'll use the last one. Lights.
Mama, can I use a little more?
What do you want to put on there?
Okay, I'll do that remote. Oh, Nate,
There you
use
go.
it too big!
That's okay, Tia. Why are you? Don't tie it, Nate.
Nate,
Why are you tying it?
Mama, can you help me?
Hold on.
I call these.
Hold on, Tia.
I'm gonna mix.
Tia doesn't have. Ollie doesn't have
Can
it.
you go give me the remote?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do.
Oh,
these
all right,
Can
so-
I get the Mama? Mama.
All right.
I'm
make sure
gonna
that
do.
everybody can see.
I'm doing the rest of these.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this
Mama,
is super, super
I think
cool,
I'm
you guys.
done.
Oh.
Maybe a little too much.
All right. That's okay. That's okay.
Not enough.
Hold on.
All right. Hold on. Akina's been waiting. Nate. All right. So
Okay, Kiki,
here we go.
can you
Come on
walk
over
with
here,
me?
Ollie. All right. So you guys, Ollie's got her clear and her rainbow in there, and then I'm just gonna slowly release the air.
Wait, hang on. So I'm using the rest of them. Kiki, can you
A little bit more. Don't squeeze it, cause I'm gonna.
Can I get 2?
I guess squeeze it until there
Can I
are
get
balls
two?
almost coming out of the
Can I get
top
two?
there,
Yeah, but I need your.
and then
You're gonna tie it.
tie.
And then you get to squish it and squish it and it can be your squishy. Can you help me?
And here is your squishy.
Wait, can I?
That is the coolest feeling ever.
Please
Feel it.
don't use all of these.
Okay, I'm.
Can
You still have a lot.
How cool is that, Al?
Okay, Kiki, can you?
Mine's an oval.
Can you help me?
Yeah, it'll switch like shapes and stuff.
You that's too much.
So this is so much fun, you
Can
guys.
you help me?
Like I said,
Blow it
it's
up.
super easy. It doesn't cost
And
that
put it
much.
on.
And to buy a squish ball at like Claire's right now, that feel exactly the same, it's like $8. So we love this. We're making a ton. So we're just gonna keep going here, guys. But I hope you like this. If you have any more ideas of stuff you want us to try, please let us know. And until next time.